Hi there, it's Simon again. In this video, I'm just going to show you how to make a booking. It is so easy. It will take you 30 seconds to make one booking and 10 seconds to make the return. So you just go to your log on screen, you log in with your email address and password. I normally recommend to click on Remember Me. Then you click on Login. Once you log in, it'll take you to your home screen with your menu options and all of your pending bookings. So what I'm going to do here, I'm just going to click on Add Booking. It's already going to populate my name and phone number in here, and I can either select my journey details from my favorites, or I can just start typing them in. So if I go into my favorites, I can name all the favorites and the addresses will be there. Or if I want to go to, let's say, a place that I haven't got as a favorite, so let's say I want to go from La Grillade Restaurant. Here we go, in Redfern Street, Redfern. If I want to add it as a favorite, I just hover on the inside. Then I want to say, let's say I want to go to Sydney Airport. I just select the first choice. Then the website will ask me whether I want in domestic or international. Once you see the time and the kilometers, it means that Google was able to figure out where you're going to. And you just select the date, the time, whether it's AM or PM, the extra. Normally, you will find that 9 times out of 10, it will be airport or regular transfer. If you want an hourly hire, you can click on this and you'll notice that the drop down will appear here. But if you just go back to airport or regular hire, you just select the type of vehicle that you want, the number of passengers, and if there's any extras that you want, whether there's baby seats. We also have a feature where you can give instructions to the driver. So you can say, enter the terminal 5, 15, 30, or 45 minutes after touchdown. So let's say I'll select 15 minutes after touchdown. It's got my credit card here. If I want to toggle between credit cards, I can toggle at this stage, and I can say booked by me. If I want to put a reference number, and I can say anything here, notes to the driver. So here I can say, I have a broken ankle. Please help with luggage and meet at Carousel. Anything that you want to say to the driver, you can put here. It'll tell you the name, the cost, and so forth. You click on Book Now. This pop-up will appear, and you click on Confirm Booking. Once you do that, then you've just made your booking. If you want to make a return booking, once you clicked on Confirm Booking, the page will refresh. So let's just do that for now. And notice here, there's something that says Book a Return Journey. If you click on Book a Return Journey, it will completely spin everything around. And since the pickup is from the airport going to the location, I can say QF123 and select the date, and it'll give you a price. And you can click on Book Now, and that's it. It's as simple as that.